Christmas morning arrived quietly. The sky slowly turned from dark blue to a soft pink and gold. The snow had stopped falling, blanketing the village in a fresh, clean layer that sparkled under the emerging sun. The whole world looked brand new. The little orange cat, still wearing the warm red scarf from the night before, woke up early. It stretched its paws out, feeling the soft crunch of the snow beneath them, and looked up at the beautiful sky. "Good morning, Christmas," the cat whispered to the still air. Soon the village began to wake up. Thin wisps of smoke curled up from chimneys, a sign of warm fires inside. Windows opened one by one, and the gentle sound of laughter drifted out, mixing with the crisp morning air. Children, bundled in their winter clothes, ran outside, their boots making delightful crunching sounds as they played. The cat walked gently through the awakening village, its paws leaving tiny prints in the snow. It saw a young boy happily building a snowman, rolling a large ball of snow that grew bigger and bigger. A girl skipped past, carefully carrying a small box of freshly baked cookies, the sweet smell trailing behind her. Even a friendly dog seemed to be celebrating, wagging its tail with pure joy at everyone it passed. The entire village was filled with a cheerful spirit. Near the village square, the magnificent Christmas tree stood tall and proud. Its lights were off now, but in the morning light it looked just as peaceful and grand. And there, standing beside it, was the little girl from the night before. She was holding a small basket, and when she saw the cat, she smiled. "For you," she said softly. Kneeling down inside the basket were warm cookies and a small cup of milk. The cat, feeling very grateful, sat down politely and nibbled on a cookie while the girl watched. They shared a quiet, happy moment together. Suddenly, a cold wind gusted through the square. On a nearby branch, a small bird shivered, its feathers wet and ruffled from the snow. It looked so tiny and cold. The cat noticed right away. It walked slowly over to the tree and sat down close to the branch, offering its own small warmth. The little girl saw this too and gently placed her own scarf near the bird. As if by magic, the wind seemed to calm down. The little bird stopped shaking. It was a small act of kindness, but it made the whole morning feel so much warmer. Just then, the soft sound of church bells began to ring, their gentle chimes echoing through the peaceful village. Families started walking together, holding hands and sharing smiles. The air was full of love and togetherness. The little cat made its way to the riverbank and sat watching the sunlight dance and sparkle on the water's surface. It felt a wonderful sense of fullness, not from the cookies or the milk, but from the happiness and kindness it had seen and shared. The wind returned, but this time it was gentle and warm. It seemed to whisper a secret message. Christmas morning is for caring. The little cat closed its eyes, feeling the soft scarf move in the breeze. The village, bright with kindness and peace, was ready to begin a new day. What did we learn from this story? Christmas isn't just about presents. It's about sharing warmth, care, and kindness with everyone around us, no matter how small. It's the gentle and caring moments that make the day truly special. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this little Christmas tale. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more heartwarming stories. Merry Christmas to you and your loved ones.